Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on the Homebase app. First, confirm the Homebase app is already installed on your personal smartphone or an approved company device. Next, it is crucial to ensure that your device's location services are actively turned on, as this is essential for verifying your workplace location. Finally, always check that your manager has scheduled you for the shift you intend to clock into, which prevents any potential discrepancies. Once you have opened the Homebase app on your mobile device, it will immediately begin the process of verifying your current location. This automatic check uses your device's enabled location services to confirm you are at your designated workplace. Look for a distinct green banner or a ready-to-clock-in message, which visually confirms that your location has been successfully verified, signaling you are cleared to proceed with your clock-in. After confirming your location, your next step is to tap the prominent, large green clock-in button clearly visible on your screen. If your workplace assigns multiple job roles, the app may prompt you to select the correct role for your current shift. Simply choose the appropriate one. A brief confirmation screen will then flash, displaying your exact clock-in time, letting you know your entry has been successfully recorded. Should you encounter any issues during the clock-in process, particularly with location verification, first ensure you are physically within 50 feet of your designated workplace. A common cause for clock-in problems is a poor or absent internet connection, so double-check your phone's Wi-Fi or cellular data signal strength. Often, simply closing the Homebase app completely and then reopening it can resolve minor technical glitches and allow for a smooth clock-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.